你好，祝你有美好的一天。这就是频道 Celebrity News Today 247。这是今天的新闻。
Does Xiao Zhan suddenly open for business? The right of reputation case 1, the defendant black fans apologized and compensated 200,000. Some people say, I don't know what a good day it was yesterday. Xiao Zhan has posted on Weibo, and the studio has released food. This set of photos was taken in Hainan, and some netizens recognized it as a hotel in Mission Hills, Haikou. On the balcony of the Ritz-Carlton Hotel, Xiao Zhan, smiling and refreshing, simple and handsome in black and white. Your photographer boyfriend is quietly online. Some fans summed up that today, May 10th, was the day when the support club was disbanded that year. It is the day of the second anniversary of No Support and the day of the second anniversary of Public Welfare Live broadcast. If you don't mention these, many people have forgotten over time. But some people have always remembered that it was all related to Xiao Zhan. On such a special day, Xiao Zhan suddenly opened for business, and he was indeed cured. At the same time, I also received good news that another reputation right case was won. In the past 2 years, Xiao Zhan's blind box lawsuit has been very effective. On May 10th, a netizen posted a handwritten apology letter to Xiao Zhan. Here's the thing, this defendant is one of the members of Xiao Zhan who had an online riot in 2020. Still a big V with 80 watts fans on Weibo. Beginning in 2020, the defendant has been spreading rumors, slandering, and insulting Xiao Zhan on the internet, and has also become one of the black fans with a small group. During this period, he provoked many times, hurry up and sue, you will win the battle. In March 2021, when the defendant received a text message from the court, he immediately sent a Weibo to ask for help from other sunspot leaders. The court ruled that the defendant issued a public apology statement and put it on the top for 30 days. Paid compensation of 100,000 yuan to the plaintiff. The defendant bears a series of reasonable expenses incurred by the plaintiff due to rights protection totaling 105,610 yuan. Faced with 20 watts compensation, the sunspot began to sell miserably. Except for the lag hair who followed him as a demon, the eyes of other netizens are sharp. When scolding people, they slip and fly, a person's attitude. When the accused becomes an ordinary programmer, put on a look of innocence who can't resist capital, and ask people what to do. Why don't you think about getting accused when you bully others online? An adult refuses to admit wrongdoing in front of the law when the evidence is conclusive. After 2 years, the results are finally here. May 10, 2022. The defendant posted a handwritten apology letter and pinned it to the top. Besides, he needs to compensate Xiao Zhan a total of 205,610 yuan. But to the dissatisfaction of netizens, his apology letter did not have great sincerity, and such a punishment was indeed too light. The funny thing is, because he was afraid of revealing his real name, he even played mosaic. A netizen complained, is this for fear of being known by relatives and friends? I thought I was hiding behind the keyboard. Can you do whatever you want to be a cyber thug? Do you think your vicious face will not be discovered by people in real life? The internet has memories, and the vicious remarks he made at the beginning are still outrageous now. There are actually many cases of celebrities suing black fans. Every time those black fans are very arrogant before being accused, he also shouted come to sue. When the lawyer's letter arrived, he began to sell miserably, I'm just an ordinary person, an amateur. Excuse me, everyone is equal before the law and supports the legitimate rights of celebrities.